Kopela le mputseng hore relationship ya lena e thomile bjang, and ho tlile bjang hore le thomoetsa everything together, le identify a talent both of you le na leng yona, and then ebe like where did all of this start?
Just can play re thomile our couple like relationship re thomile ka after 2019 ya ka bo 2020, so after ira pinarne impanna, that's where re thomileng go ba a duo, because ne re se duo, ne re le di solo artist o bona o molo mona ira music wa hae o mong a ira music wa hae, so like ka 2020 re write pina ngwe ba re ke impanna, then pina ela e lo re tsamaye di plek re thore, like so ne re phela together each and every day, re tsamaya re di interview re di gigging. So like we spent a lot of time together, spending na kwenchi together, and then se la ra ba le gigi ko Botswana. That's where our relationship started, because we were like re tswile re ko Botswana, like it's out of the country, then and then
we fell in love.
Yeah, we fell in love ko Botswana. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it happened, and then everything followed through, like ra phela bo botle, then ra thomo ba le di like na le dream one. So la bona like we want to be superstars in music or one. So yeah, so everything ya no tsama fela beo, then ra thomo iketsetsa studio sa rona, then ra phela ba botle fela beo.
Yeah. So tell us about your because we know that you two selela la discover hore le na le problem ya alcohol. Lily too happy. How did you discover hore this is a problem and we want to solve it as a couple?
I could say we never thought we had a problem. We were always thinking that it's not alcohol, it's the brand that we're drinking.
Okay.
And yeah, each and every time when we come from gigs, like it was not good, you know. So exchange whereby else like the defendants are like they say behind the scene. And then after gigs, you know. So I think that's where we discovered alcohol, so it's not only alcohol, it's alcohol and drugs. So there was a show Spinza Aside that we went to, and we never thought it's a rehab show, but then when we got there, we must take this program serious, because like alcohol, and then that's where we started to take the program serious. You understand? Like we're not there because of it's a show, you understand? But then we wanted to as artists you need followers, you need exposure, you need to understand. Not say it's a rehab show, you understand? But explain it to but then we were like, okay, fine, let's go. When we come back, we're still going to drink, you understand? So when we got there, stories are changed, however, so we followed the program. Yeah.
Yeah, to add on that, like in terms of like nearly powerless. Like we couldn't live without alcohol and weed in terms of drugs. So like whatever we did, whatever we had to do, so like in terms of performance, go studio, we had to like we thought we are not creative without alcohol and drugs. We thought music was bora. Regas practice, regas performing good, regas with the best energy without alcohol. So like that's why we realized this thing near kawata man near sabun. So like we were fortunate enough what help, and then this thing this show that is gonna come or Bargis Pinza Society. Rehab, you're not rehab anything, Mara, we were rehab. A month. Like we were like, okay, no problem. Do they pay? And then she said, yes, there'll be something. I was like, okay, let's go. Because we want money and stuff. And get TV, you like, why not? So like that, yeah, exposure. So like that's when we went, and then okay, that's where we Rotoma Tabaya Rehab.
Oh, so the show changed your life. Qualify for exposure, but you ended up changing lifestyle.
Yes.
And after the show, how did Popular Balena become better? We've seen you on TikTok, you're doing well. How did that change your life? Being sober?
I could say being sober is a blessing. We never thought that we could be sober. And as artists, you know, because we rely on drugs and alcohol, a lot of artists, I'm not saying all of them, do you understand? But most of artists, they think alcohol and drugs gets on a hyper for them to be connected with the audience, you know, with the crowd when we're performing and stuff like that. So we just noticed that even with natural energy, it's possible, do you understand? So now we can write songs without alcohol and drugs. We can record without alcohol and drugs. We can even perform without alcohol and drugs. And even the content that we're doing, we are still sober, do you understand? So I think it played a huge positive impact into our lives, because we are couples, you understand? So we influence each other into drugs and alcohol, do you understand? And now we could see that we even better parents, you know, better artists, because like now a lot of influence fighting is about, especially artists, they put alcohol and drugs out there, while else we forget that there are kids who are looking up to us, you understand? So we think that this is a very good chance for us, hore you can still be an artist and still not drink and use drugs.
Yeah, and to add on that, I think no way to go, but when we were young and dreamers, you know, like but we put superstars, record, working hard, you know. So that thing is back of being hungry again. Like Nakola is like we thought we are useful, but we were useless in some kind of way, doing the same thing each and every day, expecting different results. We got the same results, but now when we do something, we do it intentionally, with plan, strategy, structure, focus. So the result no so ranona radloa, like one understand that even in the music, whatever we do it intentionally, and then we are not expecting someone to come in like we don't want to blame people for career area. It's us who by no more sure to show the world that we can do this and we want to do this.
One last question for what, like we see you on social media, you're doing well. The love and support that you get from your followers and your fans, Baba follower music walena, what would you like to say to them?
Oh my god, you know, there's one thing about our friends, ne? Some of them, they're still drinking, ne? But they don't judge us, you know. As Lirina, we don't judge people who drink. But then at least we could change at least 3, 2, 4, 5 people's lives, you understand? But then they don't judge us. Yeah, and so it's just amazing when you bump into our fans and then understand and stuff like that. Lirina, when we see them drinking, we don't judge them and say la and stuff like that, because we are not perfect, we still addicts, you understand? So the fact that it doesn't mean that you are not addicts, you understand? We still addicts, but then we just stopped drinking and using drugs. So it's amazing, you know.
So for Feneta, I would like to say thank you so much, because the album after rehab, then Ranta album before rehab. We didn't realize that we can even drop an album. We were like, oh, we have an album, let's release this song. So one of the songs, Barke Shashalaza, and our friends are already using the sound, though, like it's trending on social media. So we want to say thank you and keep on supporting our music and our journey.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.